Okay, this video is about importing a library into a document of a different format. So here's a big band library. I've already saved the library, did save as, save library. I gave it a name. I called it Helvetica because that was the font. It's right there. I've put it right here. And now I'm going to import that into a document, new document, with no, here I'll just start from the beginning, I'll get rid of that. We go to a new document without libraries, and then I go to import it by loading the load library. I go to the location where I've saved the library, which in this case is on my desktop right here. But there's a little buggy thing, and I haven't really figured out why it's doing this, but the workaround is it's saying that the font isn't there, and if you try to just add it, it doesn't seem to work. So you go to select another font, and then you choose the font that you actually want, which is the one in the document. It's called Helvetica New. But if you say OK here, it doesn't seem to work. But if you scroll down like this to say here, and then go back and say OK, then it imports. You see now the thing has changed. And so now I have all that stuff that was in that big band template. For example, the chord library is there. If I click here, you see there's the chord library. The various staff styles are there. Like if I go to the staff styles and control click, you can see there's the kicks over time option that was there. So what I'm asking you to do is do what I just did. Save the library from the previous template, open up a document without libraries, import it in the way that I just did, and then use the kicks over time staff style, and then in layer 4, which is where you have to put the notes for kicks over time, just create a little rhythm that like this, which of course won't play back. And now you have your kicks over time, and then put in a chord symbol just so that you are showing that you know how to do that. And that's how you've proven that you were able to import the elements of a library into another document. And if you want to take it another step further, you could go ahead and format this, add a bunch of measures, and format for yourself a lead sheet, which would have maybe 32 measures, and then do the extra elements that would make this into a lead sheet. Like, for example, go to the page layout tool, choose systems per page. Let's do, looks like we're going to just have 6 for this one. And that gives you your basic lead sheet thing. And now you have all those elements from the big band template in a lead sheet, the beginnings of a lead sheet format. So that's what I'm asking you to do for this assignment.